If you listen, you can hear this thumping sound. I think it's somebody's pulper. It might be Dona's dryer. Here's the property though. We should have taken before and after shots, but we didn't. Not too bright. You see this mess here? When we got here, almost everything was kind of like that. This whole row, we didn't even know there were coffee trees here. But there are. And the beans are still growing. We've harvested twice. Beans are still popping up. We gotta do some pruning this year. Look at all this. This is all jungle. This is our tenant Donna's house. Our house, I reckon. She lives there. I gotta fix this. It used to be the drying shed for the original house. Overall, month in, not even overall, entirely, Marisa and I are thrilled to be here. We love this. It's awesome. See, you can't get through there yet. I bought a billy goat a couple weeks in. That helped a lot. Take down some of the big stuff. Supposedly there's 2,800 coffee trees here. Row after row. Hopefully that's not the coffee leaf rust there. Gotta get our handle on that. Might be, might not be. We don't know what we're doing yet. We're getting there. I didn't kill myself on the tractor yet. So there's some rows, there's some birds, there's the house, the garage, back of the sheds again. This video's for anyone who cares. We don't know who those people are yet, or if anyone cares. But if anyone's interested, they can look and see. Telling you, all this when we got here, this stuff was probably only about knee high when we got here. No discredit to the former owners implied. This place just grows like crazy. You can see some remnants. All this has been cut through already. I'll take you out here in the back. When I got the billy goat, I got out here in the back, and spider webs are everywhere. Can't even get through. Jeez, I should have brought a stick. Ugh. I got one on my face. Awesome! Spider web to the face. Totally awesome. Look, you can't even see them. Oh, there they are. Spider web to the face. This is where we got our first batch of bananas. We also found a broken avocado tree here in like the first day or two. I don't know why it broke. See, all the leaves are dead. We took all the avocados. I used as many as I could in avocado smoothies every day. So this back area was completely like, some dude came in a tractor before we got here and cut it all down, but it was like that over there all the way through this area. crazy. And there's vines like this on a bunch of stuff. This is a coffee tree. It's being attacked by some nasty vine. Maurice hasn't hacked that one yet. If I had my knife, I'd cut it off. I didn't see that one. But we've been going through here and cleaning all this stuff up. This was all impassable previously. These trees look pretty skanky back here because this cane grass was out of control. We think there was a whole row of trees here that the former owner planted. This is the only one left. Bunch of little babies. They all got either mowed under by our cleanup crew, or they just got squelched out. But you can see I was here like 3 days ago. You can see this stuff's growing up already. The bamboo grows like 3 to 4 feet a day, so at least it's not bamboo, it's just cane grass. This is the back of the house, back of the lot. I'm heading up the hill. Now this, when I got the well, this I guess I didn't touch yet with the billy goat. Some of it I have. You can see some patches through here. Like this. Billy goat, billy goat, billy goat. But I can't get the mower up here yet. Either because it's too wet or because I keep hitting lava. But I gotta get up here in the next couple days. Get this mowed down before it starts taking over again. Doesn't take long. And this is where I broke the billy goat, like on the first day. It's a totally incredible machine, but at some point I snapped a little pin on the transmission trying to get through. Like this pathway here used to be like this, probably even worse. This is starting to get thinned out a little bit. Mom, if you can see this, maybe you're the only one that'll watch it, if you can even see it. Here's the neighbors, JJ and Christy, I think. They have cows. We didn't even know it for the first couple weeks until I got Billy back here. You can see this stuff. No, this was here like a week ago. Ugh. See, it was all like this. Horrible. I busted through here a little bit. Here a little bit. I'm not sure what's more invasive, the cane grass on the farm or the virus on the KonaKingCoffee.com website. It's like a WordPress virus. Not that big of a deal, but it's pretty invasive. I just haven't taken the time to fix it yet. Still getting all our ownership transferred over. These are some cute little trees, probably planted a couple, 3 years ago. These are a bunch of banana trees back here. This is the very, right there was the very corner of the lot. These are our, I don't know, some of these are Honduran, and some of them are African. These trees, hardwood trees. I don't know which is which yet. Guess I should have paid more attention in biology, but I didn't. So, we got that going for us. Here's the back neighbor. Broke through there once. I mean, I'm telling you, all this was covered in this grass previously. This was not so bad in this little area, but all that was grass. You couldn't even see these skanky little trees that have been getting squelched out. This is what it looked like. Again, it's an example. still looks like that over there. Haven't broken through. And it's getting that way again. It's a lot of work. It's fun. Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. Love it. There's the sun. It's setting. It's about, what time is it? 5:30-ish? 5-ish? Something like that. This is the back of the lot. There's the neighbor's fence. A guy named Stance put up this fence. We're going to commission him to put a fence over on the other area. Hopefully soon. Man, I got to get up here. Billy's got some work to do. Bad shit. Oops. Shouldn't have swore. Gotta keep this kid friendly. Scratch that. I didn't say that. See, these are probably, I don't know, this one's a little skanky. Some of these, they're like shade probably though. They were probably planted as a secondary shade tree. Theory is you plant big, tall, secondary shade, and then you plant shorter, I guess those are primary shade, and the shorter ones are the secondary. And then you plant coffee in between the rows. Me and Billy almost got stuck in here last week, a couple days ago, whenever it was. I was mowing, having the time of my life. I went into this little hole, and I fell off a little ledge there. It was like a lava wall. I fell in there, and I was stuck in a bramble. I don't know if you call them brambles in Hawaii, but I just called it a bramble. There's all kinds of plants here. Pretty flowers. I'll get more into it later. These are invasive, though. It's an African, it's like a weed. The wood is like useless. And they go everywhere. Thought I just saw a snake, but there's no snakes in Hawaii, so that's good. It wasn't. This is up the hill, back of the house. You can see through that little breakthrough of trees. Gotta do some pruning. Did I say that yet? This tree shouldn't be like laying over like this. It's way too overgrown. So here's some evidence of the pigs. This is a maybe yesterday's spot, or it's brand new. So the pigs come in here and they go rooting for grubs, and they dig up all your land. It's annoying. Huh? What? Somebody in the neighbors. Now that we got all the cane grass cleared out, you can hear like everybody. You can't hear what they're saying necessarily, but you hear them talking. Thought that person was talking to me, but they're not. This Marisa likes this tree. Reminds her of that movie Avatar, I think. There's some oranges. I don't know if Marisa picked oranges, but she bought a juicer for our stand so we can juice fresh juice for people. And it's awesome. It's so incredible. It's like the best orange juice I've ever had. And I'm not just saying that because it came off of my orange tree. So this is the famous bamboo tree. Or one of them. We have 3 patches of bamboo. This one's the largest. It's right behind the house. And these birds fly in there in the morning and at night. And they all go crazy. This Marie's going to make into a garden. We suspect the former owners had it as a garden since they had some water running up here. And it's fairly flat. We got to take care of this pig problem first. I saw my first mongoose today. This is like our back patio. Don't know what to do there yet. Saw my first mongoose up close today. He peeked his head out while I was working on the tractor. And he saw me and he stopped just long enough for me to probably get a bead on him with the BB gun if I had it, but it's still in the pod. Pod arrives. I probably picked that one too early, but it looked good enough from the bottom. I'm gonna go eat it because I'm hungry. This is a pile of something. We don't know what it is. Owners left it. Something decaying under there. And this is Maurice's compost pile she's starting. Mr. Chickles comes by here and some of his friends and eats. Waiting for Mr. Chickles to lay some eggs. You see her digging little holes, but I haven't found any eggs yet. You don't know if she's a running free range chicken or if somebody owns her. This is one of her holes she dug. No eggs. This is the old duck coop that the former owners had. We gotta do some bamboo maintenance before we get this in action again. Look at this bamboo. It's crazy, bro. Crazy. This is the coffee roasting shed and storage shed. Totally awesome. This is the pulping station. Still got to do some rehab on it. We've had to do a lot of things manually done. This is the auger that's supposed to hook up to it, but that's part of the stuff we got to work out. Get some beans in there drying from the second harvest. Got more trees over here. This is the side edge of the property. These are our palm trees, which I think are totally cool. Totally cool. Totally. More pig action. Stance, where are you, bro? Look at all these oranges. Nuts. Totally awesome. So I was trying to get the mower through here because Marisa did some weed whacking up here and gave me some paths. It was doing pretty good. I was hitting some rocks, obviously. Hit a lot of lava. I got stuck here trying to get back up and around. You can see I was burning up the weeds. Took that poor little victim out. And then I got over here. I got stuck trying to go back up again, so I came back over here, and then things got out of control, and the things started sliding backwards down this hill. And at some point, I think I rolled down the hill here. I got stuck on that tree. Luckily, I didn't take another one out. And rather than going to get Marisa for assistance with the mower, I thought, oh, I'll just go get the tractor and I'll tow it out. Good idea, right? So I come over here. This is the way I got in with the mower, mostly, over here, up here. I try to go over this mound of lava. I was going to try to squeeze through these two trees. And this thing tipped me, man. I was trying to go up this way. Had the bucket a little too high. Shit got hairy real quick. Thing went over fast. I can't even walk up it, so. And this is the neighbor's property. You can see it's been well kept. You can see where the line is. Nice grass. Weeds. But we're working on it. We're catching up. These are our palm trees, though. So cool. I don't think they grow coconuts. I wish they did. Different type of tree. God bless me. So, it's the walking tour of the Malinowski Kona King Coffee farm. And this is where we got the mower out eventually. We had to let it go down the hill. Just rolled it. Pigs. There's some fruit that's been laying there. I don't know what it is. It's still laying on the road though, so I'm gonna take it. Been laying there all day. 2 days. Well, like I said though, we love it here. There's our road. It's Canoe Road. Bends around over here. There's our driveway. Oh, there's Donut talking to Marisa. And there's Kai the dog. Ooh. Oh, just creating a video tour.
Right, I'm walking back up.
Me too. 821135 Canoe. There's the front of the house. There's the sun setting. How do you like it here, Marisa?
I like it.
A little?
A lot.
You like it a lot?
A lot.
You're not just saying that because you're on camera, are you?
No, did you steal
This one was laying on the thing for 2 days.
Alright.
Let's see what it is.
So she's... let me know when you're done video taking.
So, going back up the driveway. And you can see we're back at the shed that I was repairing. I've given up on writing a log. So I'm like, I better start vlogging. More pig action. There's the other shed.
See, this has to be like a massive weed fish growing everywhere.